configurations for the SAP FICO general ledgers, right? Okay. So we have to create posting keys using transaction code OB41. Can you go to the transaction code OB41? See, OB41 posting keys means what? Posting key is a 2-digit key which is used to control the line items whether the posting is debit or credit. Okay, you got the thing? Right. So we have all the things and we no need to create anything. So can you come down and check with the 41, 40, 50, 70 debit assets? Okay, all these things are there. No need to worry. Okay, we no need to create any posting keys and all. Also, we will check with this thing. Can you go to the create option and take out the 40? Can you go to the create option, take out the 40 and give debit posting key 40 and name is debit posting key. Okay, click on the enter. The system will automatically throw you an error. Debit posting. Okay, see this posting key 40 already existed. You no need to give anything. Okay, you no need to create anything. If you don't have posting keys and all, what you need to do is you have to just to open the posting keys and you need to remove each and everything. Sorry, you need to create each and everything, right? Then next, can you remove this thing? Can you give /n? Okay, then what we need to do is in SAP S4 HANA, we will going to have different types of chart of accounts. Okay, same thing, operating chart of accounts, group chart of accounts, and country specific chart of accounts. Can you go to the transaction code OB13? We will going to create a chart of accounts. Can you go to the new entries, Pawan? Go to the new entries. Yes, can you give chart of accounts? Description as operating chart of accounts and maintain language, and the length of the GL account is 6. Operating chart of accounts and maintain language, and the length of the GL account is 6. Length of the GL account is 6. Okay, click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Okay, then next, come back. The next one is group chart of accounts, OB13 only. Create group chart of accounts for the particular company codes and all. And can you give English, and the length of the GL account is 6. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Then next, the next thing is country specific chart of accounts. Go to the new entries, give chart of accounts, and the description is country specific chart of accounts. Country specific chart of accounts. And the general specification, maintain language is English, and the length of the GL account is 6. And the next one is, see, you know it very well. What do you mean by chart of accounts and all? This chart of accounts is a financial organizational tool. This provides a complete listing of every account in an accounting system. This chart of accounts is a structure containing the GL accounts used by one or more company codes. You know it very well. Okay. Okay, see, these are the chart of accounts. You know it very well. Okay, the operating chart of accounts contains the GL accounts same that you plan to use for daily postings in your company code. Group chart of accounts contains GL accounts that you are used by the entire corporate group. And the country specific chart of accounts. Country specific chart of accounts in the GL accounts are needed to meet a specific country's legal reporting requirements. Okay, got the thing? So that is the main important thing that we want to create each and every chart of accounts in the SAP S4 HANA systems and also ECC systems. Can you give /n? Then next, what we need to do is, so we have to assign this country specific chart of accounts and operating chart of accounts using transaction code OB62. Can you, yes, can you go to the position and give your company code and give the chart of accounts? And give the country specific chart of accounts. Okay, click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Okay, good. And then next thing here is give slash n. Then next one. So we have to create account group using transaction code OBD4. Can you go to the transaction code OBD4? Account group. See, you know it very well. This whatever the accounts that we have created in the chart of accounts, based on the chart of accounts and all these chart of accounts and account GL accounts will be there in the account group, and this account group is used to segregating or grouping the similar accounts into a single group. Each account group in SAP, suppose if it is a expenses, if it is a current liabilities, if it is a current assets and all, and those will be assigned to a chart of accounts. So you can only use the account group if the controlling areas use the same chart of accounts. Okay, you can create the chart of accounts using transaction code OBD4. And what we need to do is current assets, current liabilities and provisions, depreciations, fixed assets, increase or decrease in stock, interest, manufacturing cost, other incomes, personal cost, raw material consumptions, reserves and surplus, sales, come down, sales, increase or decrease in stock, unsecured, accumulated depreciation, administration costs, current assets and loans. Okay, can you copy all these things, Pawan? You do one thing. Can you go up? Go up. Go up. Go up. Go up. Okay. Take out the. Okay. Copy this chart of accounts. That is 1111. Okay. Good. Good. Come down. Secured share capital, unsecured loans, accumulated depreciations, administration cost, current assets. Okay, no issue. Yes. Can you go to the copy option? We will going to copy each and everything. You no need to worry. Just don't click on any enter. If you click on any enter, automatically you will lose each and everything. Okay. Give the SHOC transaction code. Okay. Go to the save button and save it. Okay. Everything is saved, right? Can you give slash n and once again go to the transaction code OBD4 slash n OBD4. Yes. Can you go to the position? Can you go to the position and give your chart of accounts? Yes. Okay. Now you got each and everything, right? No worries. Okay. This is how we can copy each and everything. And in ACC, we have seen how we can create the new entries. I mean, how we can create the GL accounts, account groups and all with using new entries and all. Okay. The next, what we need to do is Retained earnings is a reserves and surplus, right? What is the reserves and surplus account here, Pawan? Give your chart of accounts. Go to the OBD4 transaction code. Click on the enter. Okay, go to the position and give your chart of accounts. And what is the reserves and surplus account that we have? Where is the reserves and surplus account? Okay, 100 100. Okay, what we need to do is, can you go to the transaction code OB53, that is creation of retained earnings account. See, why we need to use this retained earnings account? You know it very well. This retained earnings account is used to carry forward the balance from one fiscal year to the next fiscal year. Okay, that is very, very important. Can you click on the enter? Okay, go to the save button and save it. No issue. Go to the save button and save it. And see here in SAP S/4HANA, this you can assign retained earnings account to each and every P&L account in the chart of accounts to automatically carry forward the balance from one fiscal year to the next fiscal year. Okay, that is the main important thing. Then next thing is see, these are the main important configurations for the general ledger configurations and all. Okay, then what we can do is we will going to see the creation of GL accounts in next video. No need to worry. And based on the parts wise, you will going to get the videos and all. In next session, you will going to see the creation of GL accounts and postings of the GL accounts and posting of the GL invoices and all, how we can post each and everything. You will going to see it. Okay, there is no issue.